Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
As much as rupees 50,000 crores or 1/5 of the budget allocated to the several ministries for the welfare of scheduled castes has not been used in the last few years despite PM Modi emphasizing the need to undertake measures to improve their situation. The situation is such that the Niti Aayog, which is the government's think tank, has suggested to the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment that 60% of the funds be given as conditional cash transfer to benefit 1 crore of the poorest SC and ST households, and the remaining 40% can be invested in the high priority sectors. The cash transfer will likely take place on a quarterly basis through the Jan Dhan accounts that were opened for millions of people in the early years of the Modi government. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has taken the cue and has pitched a new framework to improve the welfare of the targeted SC and ST households. The new scheme will be called the PM Social Inclusion Mission Scheme, highly placed government have told the print. However, it is yet to be approved. Officials also told the print that the proposed PM Social Inclusion Mission Scheme is a conditional cash transfer scheme. It will benefit 1 crore of the poorest SC and ST households, and direct benefit transfer will be done into their Jan Dhan accounts on a quarterly basis. The concept of a separate allocation for the welfare of SCs was introduced as long back as a 6 5-year plan and has been implemented since 1980. But officials said that between 2017 and 2021, in the past 4 years, as much as 20% of the monies allocated to SC/ST welfare amounting to rupees 50,000 crore out of 2.6 lakh crore was not spent by a number of ministries and departments. What is worse, 8 ministries and departments, which includes the Department of Agriculture, Department of School Education and Literacy, and the Ministry of Labour and Employment, the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, the Department of Health and Family Welfare, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment, and the Ministry of Power did not spend nearly 80% of the funds. Not only this, rupees 1.33 lakh crore allocated to 10 departments was found to have not benefited the SC population directly. Last year, the pandemic year, was the worst in terms of surrender. Around 41% of the allocation returned, the official told the print. This is Neelam Pandey for the print. Keep following our YouTube channel for more updates.